So I've got my 7-pound bone-in pork shoulder. I've got my pulled pork seasoning from Gooseberries, and I've got my yellow mustard. First thing I'm going to do is coat the entire thing with this mustard here, work that into it, put the seasoning on it, wrap it in saran wrap, and I'll let it sit overnight, and I'll start smoking tomorrow morning. So that we've got it lathered with our yellow mustard, time to switch to spice. Next thing I'm going to do, rub her down with Gooseberries pulled pork seasoning. So now that I've got it seasoned up, I'm going to take it, wrap it in saran wrap, and let it sit overnight. So I've got a combination of cherry and maple chips in the chip box here. And we're just up to temp now. So I'm gonna throw her on in. So I've got the pork shoulder in the smoker. And we're still in the fast smoke mode just to get the smoke rolling. It has an extra element just for the chips, which is really cool. And when you have it in the fast smoke mode, it turns that element on. But yeah, now we wait. On my spray bottle here, I've got a little combination of apple cider and Captain Morgan. And then I did put some of the spices and everything in the original container, and I strained it out before I put in the spray bottle. So I'm sure it probably has a little bit of the flavor from that. But then roll as fast as I can. Sneak in, and smoke's not burning my eyes. Spray her down as quick as I can. Close her back up. Harder to do one-handed than you think. I just pulled it out of the smoker, threw it in my cooler here, wrap her up with an old towel, and now it'll sit in here for another hour before I shred her.